Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial on giving a baby boy a haircut. Now this tutorial will be just one type of haircut, and basically I will just try to talk through what I'm doing as I'm going through the video. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment down below and I will try to respond as soon as possible. So the first thing that I like to do is make sure that the hair is combed right and it's combed along the way that your baby's hair goes, if you know what I mean. Anyways, I go ahead and get it all nice and combed so I can see where I'm starting at. So right here you will be forming a wide mohawk. Since the hair is already combed over to the way that the hair grows, go ahead and do the same thing to the other side to form a wide mohawk, making sure to have a similar distance from the ear to the line that you combed over or up to form the mohawk. This can be a bit tricky if your child doesn't already have a wide mohawk formed from a previous haircut because you are basically starting from scratch. So in the next clip, I'll be working on forming that nice, even, wide mohawk. After you've formed the wide mohawk, it's best to put the hair in a rubber band or some kind of clip, and as you can see, Elisha is sporting his sister's hair clip. Here I have my wall hair clippers with the number 2 guard set to the short setting on the clippers. Here I will just start to go around the part below the wide mohawk. Continue to go around the entire head with the number 2 guard until everything seems even and smooth. The thing I love about this haircut and what makes it so easy is after you get your mohawk formed, you just have to buzz and blend the rest. Now I'm going to take out the hair clip and comb over his hair to make sure the sides are looking even before I work on trimming the hair on top of his head. Now comb the hair forward and trim just about a ½ inch off the bangs and then make sure that they're even. Now I will comb the hair over again and gather a section of hair at an angle and cut it at an angle. How much you take off the top is all dependent on your personal preference. I prefer to take off a little at a time, and if I want it shorter, I'll go back over it again. Now you do this all the way to the back. With the back, I typically will cut a little bit less than the rest of the hair because my boys have light wispy hair that will stick up if I cut it as short as the other sections. Now comb the hair over again to the side and cut straight across just a little bit to make the hair even. Next, I pull the hair straight up in sections and trim just a little bit off to make the hair even. And as you can see, I'm repeating a few of the steps to get the hair exactly how I prefer it. Now I'm going to take my clippers again and put the number 1 guard on with the clippers set to the long setting. I will now be fading up from the base of the hair at the neckline, blend upwards with smooth strokes to just about halfway up. This will be dependent on head shape and preference. Just make sure you blend upwards at an angle so that there are no harsh, awkward lines. I will also go up and around the ears, blending as I go. Then I will clean up the hair around the wide mohawk and trim any stragglers that I see. This is all according to your personal preference, but I go ahead and put a hard part where the hair is combed over from. I take my small clippers without a guard and basically etch a line. As you can see, I wiggle it up and down just a bit to create that clean cut line. How wide you make the hard part is completely up to you. I love hard parts because I feel like it classes up the hairstyle just a little bit more. And now you're done, so style as you please with whichever products work best for you.